Good afternoon, everybody. This is EPP4. I would like to get the attention of the secretary. Please take down those who are late comers and the absent. Let us now begin with the topic. Our objective for today is to differentiate the word entrepreneur from entrepreneurship. Next is explain the meaning and importance of entrepreneurship and describe the principle of entrepreneurship. We have the video here. Please watch this one. You are required to watch this video. It's very important. Okay. Please go to the link. I'm going to give you the link. Now, what is an entrepreneurship? It is a way of exchanging products or services. Even before, there was already the bartering. During the time, in ancient time, there was no money involved in buying, but they exchanged products and by means of what they have. So we call that one as bartering. Today, it is known as entrepreneurship. Okay. So what actually activity of being a an entrepreneurship? Number one is to set up a business. So what do you think are those businesses that are actually um, known today? Number one is tacos for the children. They are actually being famous. So selling tacos. And then also this from the street vendors, they have this shumai, this fishbone, and whatever. So these are now the businesses that you can see in the streets. What is really an entrepreneur? They're the person who plans, and also organizes, manage, supervise, and performs the function of being an owner. Or there are sometimes someone who start or build their own business. A very good example of this one is the Apple products, which has actually been founder is Steve Jobs. Okay, he has this MacBook, the iPad Mini, and cell phones. Bill Gates actually is another business tycoon. He's the founder of the Microsoft. To understand the difference between an entrepreneurship and an entrepreneur, we have a table below of how we can differentiate them. As an entrepreneur, he has the profit, he is the owner, he is an innovator, has a very flexible income, and starts and run a business. While an entrepreneurship, he has a fixed salary, is an employee, implementer, an executioner, he has this fixed income and renders a service. So this is the two things that we have to remember about why why do they differ from each other. What are the principles of entrepreneurship? First is, if there's a will, there's a way. The person itself has the passion to engage in business. He or she is determined to pursue his or her dream. Example being what's this? A fashion designer. All these clothings are actually being designed by famous designer. In order to sell it, they have to actually have these models to wear these clothes. Then this fashion designer would actually hire people who could actually sew the clothes. Next is you need to consider the place that is convenient to customers. It must be strategically planned. Business can be, okay, you can actually rent a stall inside the supermarkets so that your products can be introduced to the customers. Another one is you can also have um, this cart, a rolling cart, so people might flock to your place, and then they buy your products. Okay, business passion or interest is not enough. So you must have the knowledge and skills in business. Okay, there are actually coffee shops that they can actually have this coffee, and then the creamer. They have this design. They could make some designs like flowers, whatever designs that you can uh, make, and it is very presentable. So this is one of the skills, so that your coffee is can be sold to customers. They are attracted to. You can attract out of this from those customers. The financial status must be stable enough to sustain your business. So the existing money that you have is not enough. So you must actually have more than that in order to sustain your business. The success of a business depends on its people and the workforce for having the right person. So if your company have good service, then there is a good business. Always follow this: good service, have good business. Next is high risk, high return policy. Means if you invest less, lesser, little, I mean, you get less. But if your investment is higher, more benefits you can get. Like for example, the money, okay, if you want to invest, why not invest for housing projects? What else? Can you name some, what's this, examples where you can invest? Just please write in your chat box. Okay. Entrepreneurship helps the country's economy to grow progressively. There will be an increase in supply and demands, and employment will be open. So, if there are a lot of businesses that will open, more people will be hired. So, a lot of uh, graduates will be hired automatically because they need it. There is a demand in hiring those employees. Okay, rules of an entrepreneur in information and communication technology, ICT. So ICT played a big role in the business industry. They process some of this production and disseminates the information fast by using the social media. It means the objective of this one is to publish and disseminate information to the public. Example, creating food advertisement includes music background, dancing makes the body moves and emote or so when there is advertisement, you need artists to play the role, and hire them and do the advertisement so that your products will be it can attract consumers, customers. Okay, we have an activity here. That's 1 to 15. Please get one up crosswise. List down 5 eats, supermarket, car companies, and fast food restaurants that you know. So name some 5 supermarkets, 5 car companies, and 5 fast food restaurants. Okay, that's all for today. Thank you.